डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। अब तक हमने एक्सरसाइज 8.3 के कुछ क्वेश्चंस किए और आज हम एक्सरसाइज 8.3 का ही क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 करेंगे, क्योंकि उसमें बहुत सारी जो ये सारा क्वेश्चन ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटीज पे बेस्ड है और इसमें हर एग्जाम में कोई ना कोई क्वेश्चन इस इनमें से पूछा जाता है। इसलिए हम इनमें से कुछ अहम पार्ट्स करेंगे ताकि आपको पता चले कि ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटीज को कैसे सॉल्व किया जाता है यूजिंग दोज 3 मेन आइडेंटिटीज। Now let us start this question. Question number 5. First part is cosec theta minus cot theta का whole square equal to 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. First of all, we will take the left hand side. Left hand side is equal to cosec theta minus cot theta का whole square. अब हमें जैसा कि cosec theta is reciprocal of sin theta, so I will write 1 by sin theta minus cot theta is reciprocal of cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta, so I will write it, or reciprocal of tan theta, and tan is 1 sin by cos, so cot is cos by sin, cos theta by sin theta ka whole square. So what I did in this step, I just substitute value of cosecant cot theta. Cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta and cot theta is equal to cos by sin, because cot is reciprocal of tan and we know that tan is sin theta by cos theta, so cot will be cos by sin. Now in the bracket sin and sin, I can take sin as LCM sin theta. What you get? 1 minus cos theta. So what I did, 1 sin theta as it is, because denominator is same, so I will take sin theta, 1 minus cos theta as it is. This you have learned LCM in lower classes. Here denominator is same, I take one of the sin theta as LCM, and then it is 1 is same, it is minus, and cos theta same as it is. That will be. Now if I take 1 minus sin theta by cos theta is cos theta whole square, I can give square separately to denominator as numerator. So 1 minus cos theta ka whole square divided by sin square theta. This I can write it is equal to 1 minus cos theta whole square as it is divided by sin square theta. If you look at the right hand side of this problem, it is 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta, we have got that, and in the denominator it is 1 plus cos theta, but our denominator is sin square theta. That means we have to change this denominator sin theta in terms of cos theta, because our denominator in the right hand side is 1 plus cos theta. Here we got sin square theta, so we have to change sin square theta in terms of this 1 plus in terms of cos theta, and that will be done with the help of this identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. From this cos sin value of sin, find the value of sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Transfer cos square theta to the right, you will get 1 minus cos square theta, sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So I will substitute 1 minus cos square theta. Even if I take this 1 square, still it will be unaltered. इसमें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा अगर मैं 1 को स्क्वायर करूंगा, because 1 square is still 1, but it will become a formula a square minus b square. So I will write it like this. 1 minus cos theta ka whole square divided by a plus b into a minus b. That is 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So a plus b into a plus b, 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. Now this is 1 minus cos theta का whole square. One of the factor will be cancelled with this 1 minus cos theta. So what you will get, this is 1 minus cos theta का whole square. यहाँ पे square है तो एक वहीं पे रहेगा 1 minus cos theta. One of the factor will remain divided by 1 plus cos theta equal to right hand side. This is how we prove this identity. 1 minus cosec theta minus cot theta का whole square equal to 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So in this way we proved this identity. 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta equal to right hand side. So thus we proved this identity. Now let us do one more. That is, next part is cos theta cos a divided by 1 plus sin a, cos a divided by 1 plus sin a plus 1 plus sin a divided by cos a. We have to, this is left hand side of the second part, and we have to prove it equal to 2 sec a. We have to make it equal to this 2 sec a. So here what I will do, first multiply this cos a into cos a, that means cos square a, 1 plus sin a into 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a का whole square divided by 1 plus sin a multiplied by this cos a. So 1 plus sin a multiplied by cos a. अभी मैंने मल्टीप्लाई नहीं दिया लेकिन ब्रैकेट में रखा, दैट मीन्स मल्टीप्लाइड है, 1 प्लस साइन ए को कॉस ए से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. अब दिस इज कॉस स्क्वायर ए, दिस इज ए प्लस बी का होल स्क्वायर, ए स्क्वायर इज 1 स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर इज साइन स्क्वायर ए प्लस 2ab, 2a into 1 into sin a divided by 1 plus sin a into cos a. So what I did here, cos a plus 1 plus sin a का whole square, cos square a plus a plus b का whole a square 1 square plus b square sin square a plus 2ab, 2a instead of it is 1, instead of b it is sin a, so 2ab 2 sin a, 2 into 1 into sin a. Now I can write it cos square a. As you know, cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. Use this identity, cos square theta plus first identity sin square theta equal to 1, cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. Here instead of theta we have a, so cos square a plus sin square a equal to 1 using first identity. So 1 plus 1 square is also 1 plus 2 ones are 2 sin a divided by 1 plus sin a into cos a. This will be equal to 2 plus 1, 1 plus 1 equal to 2, 2 will be taken as common, so I will get 1 plus sin a divided by 1 plus sin a into cos a. 1 plus sin a cancel, we will get 2 divided by cos a. That will be 2 divided by 1 by cos a is sec a, so it is equal to sec a. 2 sec a equal to the right hand side. So in this way we have been able to prove this. Once again I will repeat how we have done it. First of all, cross multiply this one, cos a into cos a, cos square a, 1 plus sin into 1 plus sin a whole square divided by 1 plus sin into cos a. Now this is cos square a plus 1 square plus a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab divided by 1 plus sin a into cos a, 1 plus sin into cos a. Now sin cos square a plus sin square using first identity, that is equal to 1 plus 1 square equal to 1 plus 2 1s are 2 sin A divided by 1 plus sin A cos A. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Take 2 common, you will get 1 plus sin A. So if you multiply once again, 2 1s are 2 sin A, you will get the same as 2 plus 2 sin A divided by 1 plus sin A divided by into cos A. So 1 plus sin A, 1 plus A common, divided by, you will get 2 divided by cos A. We know that 1 by cos is sec, so 2 sec A. 2 sec A. In this way, we have been able to prove this. Another part is 1 plus third part. Tan. Another part is under root 1 plus sin A divided by 1 minus sin A. 1 plus sin A, 1 minus sin A, you have to prove it equal to sec A minus tan A. 1 sec A plus tan A. Sec A plus tan A. You will do it like this. First of all, I will write the left hand side under root 1 plus sin A, 1 minus sin A. If you look at this problem, look at this identity, right hand side is free from square root, while is left hand side has square root. That means we too have to get rid of this sign, get rid of this square root. That we will do with the help of rationalization. So we will rationalize it by denominator. Here it is 1 minus sin A, I will 1 plus sin A. So multiply the numerator and denominator by 1 plus sin A. That means I have rationalized the denominator. Here it is 1 minus sin A, I will 1 plus sin A. That means simply multiply the numerator and denominator 1 plus sin A. Now if you do 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A, that means 1 plus sin A ka whole square. 1 plus sin A ka whole square divided by A plus B, A minus B, A minus B, A minus B into A plus B. A square 1 square minus B square sin square A. That will be equal to under root 1 plus sin A by 1 square is 1, that is 1 minus sin square A. This is whole square. Now you can write it 1 plus sin A divided by, we know that from first identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So from this sin theta, cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. If you find the value of cos square theta as it is, sin square theta, shift it to the right, 1 minus sin square theta. So this is how we can derive the value of cos square theta from this identity. Use it here, 1 minus sin square A. Instead of now theta, we have A, so I will write 1 minus sin square equal to cos square A. So I will write it cos square A. This was 1 plus sin square A, 1 plus sin square A divided by cos square. So square and root cancel. That means I will get 1 plus sin A divided by cos A. Square and cancelling square and root. So I will get 1 by cos A, taking cos, giving cos to both of these components, 1 and sin A. So 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. Once again, if you go back to this step, cos A is LCM, you will get once again 1 plus sin A. So इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगी. 1 और sin A को अलग अलग मैंने इसको दिया, 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. And we know that 1 by cos is sec A, sin by cos is tan A. Tan A. equal to, this is exactly what we have to prove, sec a plus tan a. So sec a plus tan a equal to right hand side. So in this way we have proved this identity. Now in next video, it is enough for today, and in next video I will show you some more important identities from the same question number 5, because it has 10 identities, 10 parts, and we will do some more parts because this question is very important from examination point of view. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay blessed. Have a nice day.